If soil's in good condition, it will naturally hold more moisture and reduce the risk of plants dehydrating. By incorporating good amounts of organic matter, like compost, well-rotted manure, anything like that, even when you add the grass cuttings to your soil, grass cuttings, they can help to condition the soil up, improve the structure of the soil, and making it less likely to pan, so the surface goes hard, stopping water from penetrating and absorbing into the rest of the soil, and the roots picking it up. So less likely for the soil to pan and then crack. And it will also feed your plants as they go through the year, which is really important because, as I say, spring and summer, they're seasons of rapid growth. So as much as they're after water, first and foremost, they still need all the nutrients as well. So if you can feed them while you're keeping them hydrated, all the better. A no-dig gardening system is ideal for growing veg in drought conditions, if you like, in the height of summer. No-dig system is really good anyway, but it does support through drier climates as well. So this will maintain the structure of the soil, the condition of the soil as well, because you're not turning it over so much, you're not breaking it all up. So it can hold its structure, hold the moisture much more effectively. And if you have lawn areas, turning to more of a meadow lawn, like keeping the long grass, adding in the wildflowers and things, and also lower growing ground cover, this can help to reduce the demand of water from the soil as well. So these are really good systems to go with if you're struggling.